If you're looking for a desktop DAC and headphone amp, you've probably come across two interesting options from FIIO, the K11 and the K11 R2R. They look almost identical, but they are not exactly the same. So, which one should you actually buy? Let's start with the standard FIIO K11. This is the simpler choice. It uses a traditional DAC design. The sound is clean, detailed, and powerful. It also gives you plenty of control over your headphones. For everyday listening, it does a great job. You get a clear presentation, good separation, and plenty of power for most headphones. But then there's the FIIO K11 R2R. This is where things get more interesting. The R2R version uses a different DAC architecture, and that can change the character of the sound. Compared with the regular K11, the K11 R2R is often described as having a smoother and more natural presentation. Vocals can feel a little more relaxed. Instruments can sound more organic. And long listening sessions may feel less fatiguing. But there is a catch. The R2R version costs more. So you have to ask yourself if that different sound is worth paying extra for. If you mainly want clean, powerful, detailed audio without spending too much, I'd lean toward the K11. It gives you a lot for the money. But if you care more about sound character and want to experiment with R2R technology, the K11 R2R becomes much more tempting. Personally, I think the regular K11 is the better value for most people. The K11 R2R is the more interesting choice for enthusiasts. So which one is best for you? Get the K11 if you want value, simplicity, and excellent performance. Choose the K11 R2R if you're willing to pay more for a different and potentially more enjoyable listening experience.